It's okay, it's a Brachiosaur.
It's a Vegisaurus, Lex. Vegisaurus. Come on.
Veggie?
Come on. Come on, girl.
Come on, baby. Come on. I'm not letting go.
It looks like it has a cold.
Yeah, maybe. Hopefully it's not COVID.
Can I touch it?
Sure, just think of it as kind of a big cow.
I like cows. Come here, girl. Up here, girl, come on. Come here, girl. Up here.
God bless you.